Are your frames loose and constantly sliding down your nose? Let me show you an easy way that you can adjust your glasses at home. So grab yourself a bowl with some warm water, and what you're going to do is just dip the very ends of the temple into there. Now this is sort of, not boiling but not cool. You just want to warm these slightly, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to slowly bend it around. So if you look there, you can see that I'm just slowly putting a curve in it. I'm then going to dip it in again, and I'm going to do the same. Next we'll do the other side. Exactly the same method. You're just going to slowly and carefully apply a little bit of heat to it, and then just gently curve it around your finger. As you can see there, when I'm doing that, I've got my pointer finger here, and I'm using my thumb just to sort of wrap it around. You can do it with your other hand as well if you want to use both. There you go. You'll see that they're nicely adjusted. And now I have glasses which are not going to fall off my face. You'll see they're nice and secure, not too tight, but sitting perfectly.